Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm on Royal Caribbean's Anthem of the Seas. We're here in the Solarium. Let's check it out. Lots of seating up here in the Solarium. Over here by these giant windows. Get good views. Right now we're in port. We're in Taiwan. We're in Keelung. This is lots of space to hang out and enjoy. Of course, there's a bar so you can stay hydrated. These big windows let you see the outside world from the comfort of a climate-controlled environment. Look at this. They got hot tubs over here. Got two hot tubs on this side here, on the starboard side. They have this cool like swing thing here in the solarium. Look at that, the swing attached to the ceiling up there. Little waiting area. And of course a pool. Yeah, pool. More hot tubs over there. Here at the front of the ship. Over here we got access to the outside. Alright. We're actually above the bridge wing. Nice view of the port. Good panoramic view here. Look at this. Nice breeze. Guess you can hang out here, get some sun. Up there's the helipad. The swing. Out there's the port side bridge wing. Got these great views from in here. All the seating here. It's not a huge pool, but they do have a pool. There's even seating in the pool. Yeah, check that out. There's pool, water features. This guy here watching over the pool. And of course, a lot more seating up here too. Yeah, lots of space up here in the solarium. Check out the architecture. And of course, another cruise ship. Seabourn Quest joins us here in port. Look at all the seating. Look at these big round chairs. Your typical lounge chairs. On the left side there, inside those windows, is another restaurant. Yeah, Solarium Bistro. And of course, here's me, Mystery Shadow 1969. We're on Royal Caribbean's Anthem of the Seas. Hopefully you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.